Morning. I am getting ready to go to the airport to pick up my parents. I don't know if I was the last person to drive the van. It feels weird. Maybe I grew or I shrank or something. Something feels different. Anyway, we have been home for a while. The boys just practiced their song. We're going to be filming it later, right?
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to everyone seeing this. But right now, Ethan has been doing some bird training. And hopefully I can get a cool video.
I don't think he's going to want to do it with my phone.
Come on.
Okay, this is your millet. This is the stuff you like, right? You like the millet. It's yummy.
I think that's all.
Come here. He always does when I'm walking away, but I'm not expecting. I have to walk away.
There he goes.
Good boy.
Did it work?
Yeah. I have to not expect it, even though I was expecting it.
It's cold.
It is. I'm experiencing static electricity in my hair. I didn't have that this morning. Where am I?
It's very cold. We just went to Aldi and I went to return the cart and my fingers were numb. It's very windy and cold. Now I'm out with Ethan. Wow, my hair is crazy.
Mine too.
Yeah. So we're going to go to Target because we need to pick up some snacks because tomorrow is dance and we need to have, you know,
The essentials.
the essential snacks for dance and tumbling day. I have to get the sunset.
Yeah.
It is gorgeous. It was so much prettier.
Like 10 seconds ago.
Yeah. Right before we came out, it was like stunning.
Yeah, we were walking with our stuff, and Mom looks over and we're like, hurry, 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 let's go outside.
It's so pretty.
The rules, and so do I. For him. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie or hurt you. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this very short episode of my new series.
So the boys got that done. And I think it's been posted for, it's been less than an hour and it's already got over 56, like 50, I think it was 50 something views, 56, I don't know. And for their videos, that's a lot. I know that's nothing for like some people, but they're like freaking out. They're so excited, like, what? Oh my gosh, there's so many people that have seen it. And this one they're really proud of because they did a lot of the arrangement, the actual, like, they figured out what the notes should be and they figured out like how to make it sound like they were accompanying and all of that. So I'm personally very proud of them for it. And they wanted to have the costumes and everything. So, yeah. And I think they sound really good. So, hopefully people will like it. Hopefully people can share it and, have a little chuckle. And they tried to get the dance down and everything. So, yeah, but Ethan also started a segment on their YouTube channel, Tactile Time with Ethan, because he has all this huge collection of fidget toys and just squishies and different things to keep his hands busy while he's trying to concentrate. It helps him to do better on his school whenever he's doing things with his hands. So he decided I mean, I told him, I said, you know, all this stuff, like he has a huge collection, and they're, I mean, I like squishing them. I am guessing most people like how they feel, but I told him that he might be able to help people. Um, that's our big thing, is like if we can help bring joy or help people, you know, just in general help people, then it should go on their YouTube channel. And I really do. I said, I think that if you share even just a little bit, then you might help somebody who might be struggling, and then maybe they'll find that they do better in school whenever they have a little, like something that they hold on to, because we didn't realize until maybe 2 years ago. He was never a bad student, but like a couple years ago, he started doing his school while he was crocheting or, you know, something. And he just started doing way better. So now he has a collection, and now he's going to share that with the world and hopefully help some people. Final clip.
Final clip. I was invisible.
Yeah, I saw like this much of you. um, I'm very tired again. And tomorrow we've got tumbling and dance.
And you have to help with
And I have to help.
the art thing.
They're having an art project, so I'm going to go in and help. And
Look at you working.
oh yeah. I really love them there, so it's not like work. But then Gabriel's got an audition, so we're going to have to like Zoom home for his Zoom audition. Eyebrow stuff. Okay, so yeah.
Zoomity zoom.
Zoomity zoom. So until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.